I'm on a mission to put innovative European entrepreneurs in the spotlight and share their story to the world. These are the stories of entrepreneurs of Europe.
So here we are in our interview session of Entrepreneurs of Europe. Now we have our third interview, so welcome very much, Mahua.
Thank you so much, Mario.
Welcome.
Thank you, Joona.
And yeah, thanks for coming by, and it would be interesting to know who you are and what your company does.
So my name is Mahua and I am the co-founder of Azeta Pharma, and we founded Azeta Pharma GmbH last year. So Azeta Pharma is a company who is supporting the business-to-business partnering in the pharmaceutical sector. So we have like a huge network of people around us, and we have a great dedicated team. So we try to we have several different types of supports from our company, like for example business development and product development, and like all these different types of we actually have this we try to have the connection between the two different partners, the supplier and the buyer, and that's where we are right now.
Okay.
Thank you.
So what does your company exist? What's the purpose of all this?
So as you know that in all these pharmaceutical companies, in the manufacturing and the development, there is it's really complex, and it has several timelines, and there are a lot of regulations. So our purpose we have a huge international network, and with that we are trying to help find the projects finish in a particular timeline, and they don't have any regulatory surprises at the end. So that's our main purpose, to make their transactions and the project work quite smooth between the two partners. So that's where we are working.
Right.
Yeah.
So it sounds like a busy day. So what is your most important daily routine to start?
Oh, so that's a very good question. So definitely I start with a cup of strong tea, and with that, so as we have several partners who are from Asian countries, so their day already starts. So I just start with the cup of tea and start coordinating several calls with Asian companies, and so that we can organize the later part of the day with the European company partners. So that's how we try to use the different time zones and really bring them together. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. So tell us a moment along your entrepreneur road that still makes you happy.
Wow, that's a really good question. I think I can just recollect one of our projects where we had partners from India and UK and Germany, and as you can imagine, there are a lot of multicultural challenges in these types of deals, and so it was really a great moment when we saw that because of our presence, the deal could happen in a really smooth way. And yeah, that was really.
So the value was really there.
It really added value. So we could really add a value to that whole, the business. So that was really a very happy moment when we could make them, happy.
Always good to have these happy moments. And so, what's the most important thing for you right now and the company right now?
So actually, we started from quite a lean organization, and right now we are trying to grow and with more and more getting more and more integrated and getting more employees as employees or as freelancers. So that is what our next step will be, so that we can add more and more value to this network. Yeah.
Okay. So where are you heading then? What does your company look like 5 years from now?
So as I already told you that we really want to grow. So 5 years from now, maybe we have several offices in different parts of the world, especially maybe in the Asian countries, especially in India and China, because they are really the emerging markets. So I think that's where I see from now after 5 years, and the quality is most important of our work. So the quality will not be compromised. We will try to maintain the quality as well as we will try to expand. That's what I see us in the next 5 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much.